What's up guys, it's CC Drags and today we are going to be unboxing this new car that I've just got. It arrived in the post called Officer Murakarmi, and he's from Cars 2 obviously, like it says there. So I know he's a chase, but he's not that expensive. I think I'm going to unbox him because, you know, he wasn't that expensive. I know he might become rare. Well, I mean, if he did become rare, he'd probably be rare by now. But you know, I guess it is my car, I guess. But yeah, obviously all of these cars on the back, all the copyright jargon. Right, let's unbox him. Come out. Oh, there we go. Here he is, out of the package, unopened. So as you can see, he's got quite an angry expression here. I'm not sure which scene this is from. Yeah, I don't really remember this car from the movie, so I don't know what scene it was from. Don't know if it's related to World Grand Prix in any way. Some weird logo there that is, so I don't understand what that is. 65 on the back and another logo there. Yeah, it seems like it's from Japan in the movie. I mean, yeah, same on that side. It's a very chunky car, that's for sure. A big chunk. The back, autofocus. It's Mattel, so that just proves it's not a fake or anything. Well, it doesn't really prove, but yeah, it's not a fake. Why did I decide to film in a cinematic mode? I don't know why did I do that. That was a bit stupid. Yeah, that's all to review. I like the colours. This will definitely be going in the shelf of all my other Cars 2 cars. I really like the Cars 2 cars because they're all really unique. But yeah, that's all I have to review today. So I'll see you in the next Disney Cars review, I guess. So yeah, bye.